In this video, we're going to be discussing the difference between Office and Office 365. We tend to get this question a lot from users and clients who are confused about the differences between the two products. This confusion stems from the similarities in the names of the products and has led Microsoft to change the name of Office 365 to Microsoft 365 as of April 2020. Our hope is that this video will clear up any confusion around this issue. If you like our videos, please click the like button, or if you would like to see more of our videos, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications. I hope you enjoy this video and thank you very much.
Run around me, catch a vibe with me, go get out with me, yeah. Shawty, I'm a riding G, I'm a dying piece, I'm a ride.
Before we proceed, I think it's important to point out that comparing Office and Office 365 is not a good comparison in the first place. They are completely different offerings but can also overlap and be used together to complement one another. Office has been around for decades, and in many ways Office 365 is the natural evolution of that offering. So let's take a look at the differences. Number one, cost. The first difference that stands out between Office and Office 365 is how you pay for them. Office can be bought as a once-off purchase, as we can see on the left of their licensing page. This then allows you to install the software on your desktop PC as a local installation of the software. Office 365, on the other hand, is a subscription service you pay for monthly, as with most cloud services. You can see that all the Office 365 licensing options have a subscription pricing model. More recently, Office is also being sold as a subscription service on its own as Office 365 Business and bundled with Office 365 as Office 365 Business Premium. So basically you can get Office and Office 365 together, but also Office separately. 2. Updates. Because Office is purchased as a once-off purchase, there are no feature updates available for the software. The version you buy will be the version you have until you buy a new version. Although Office 2019, Microsoft has said will be the last Office you can purchase as a standalone product. Office 365, on the other hand, is a cloud service and will always be up to date and updated automatically with new features. You will therefore always be on the latest version. Number 3, accessibility. Office can only be accessed from the desktop PC or Mac you installed it on, whereas Office 365, being an online product, can be accessed from anywhere where you have an internet connection, including your mobile phone or tablet. Number 4, online file storage. Office does not come with any OneDrive file storage. Office 365 comes standard with a 1 terabyte of online file storage with OneDrive. On the business package, this is extended even further with SharePoint storage. Number 5, technical support. With Office 365, technical support is always available. Office only has support for the initial installation. For Office, you would have to rely on your IT provider to provide the support for you. Number 6, features and applications. The last and probably most important difference between Office and Office 365 is the suite of applications available to you. Office only offers Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Publisher, and Access from the traditional suite of Microsoft applications. Office 365 is a whole host of online productivity applications not available in Office 365. Applications like Planner for team and task management, Forms for surveys, Teams for collaboration, and SharePoint for document management are all available in Office 365 but cannot be found in Office. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button, or if you would want to see more of our videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much.